In a significant legal development, a New York judge has decisively rejected former President Donald Trump's attempt to have his conviction on 34 counts of campaign finance fraud dismissed. This ruling came in the wake of a historic verdict by a Manhattan jury, which found Trump guilty in what has been widely referred to as the hush money case. The charges stem from payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign to silence allegations of extramarital affairs, which prosecutors argued were illicit attempts to influence the election. The case centered around payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal, orchestrated through Trump's then-attorney Michael Cohen to keep their alleged affairs with Trump out of the public eye. Trump was charged with falsifying business records to disguise these payments, which prosecutors argued violated campaign finance laws by improperly influencing the election outcome. Trump's defense team moved to dismiss the conviction by citing a recent Supreme Court decision on presidential immunity, which granted former presidents immunity for official acts performed while in office. However, Judge Juan Merchan ruled that this immunity did not extend to the actions in question here, as they were deemed personal acts rather than official presidential duties. The judge's decision underscored that the evidence presented by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office was unrelated to Trump's role as president, focusing instead on actions taken as a private citizen or candidate. This ruling has significant implications for Trump, who is scheduled for sentencing on July 11th, 25, just days before the start of the Republican National Convention, where he is set to be formally nominated as the GOP's presidential candidate for the 25 election. Trump's legal team has already indicated an intention to appeal, but this rejection adds another layer of complexity to his legal battles as he campaigns for office. The conviction and subsequent judicial rejection of dismissal have stirred a whirlwind of reactions. Trump has publicly denounced the trial as a disgrace and a rigged process, maintaining his innocence and framing the legal actions against him as politically motivated attacks. His supporters echo these sentiments, viewing the conviction as an attempt to undermine his political comeback. On the other side, critics and legal analysts have praised the decision as a testament to the principle that no one is above the law, emphasizing the importance of accountability, especially for those in or seeking high office. They argue that the conviction and the judicial handling of Trump's immunity claim demonstrate the resilience of the American legal system against attempts to shield high-profile figures from accountability. This case continues to be a focal point for discussions on campaign finance, the role of the judiciary in political matters, and the extent of legal protections for former presidents. With the appeal process looming and Trump's political future hanging in the balance, this legal saga is far from over, potentially influencing not only Trump's legal standing, but also the broader political landscape as the nation heads into another election cycle. The rejection by Judge Merchan thus marks a pivotal moment in Trump's ongoing legal challenges, highlighting the intricate interplay between law, politics, and public perception in the United States.